And last but not least, we saved the biggest one for last. So let's see what's in here. Toss that out of the way, and let's see what's in this box. It says, "Thank gravity for pulling me toward you, Mr. and Mrs." Not sure. Ugh. Just getting in these boxes are a workout. I don't know how to get in it. Ooh, wow, these are pretty. Look at these. These are glasses. We have tons of glasses, but these are very, very pretty. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these, but they're absolutely gorgeous and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, and I look forward to using them, maybe washing them, having them at a special dinner, not sure. But thank you so much. I love all the samples that we get. I love to try everything. I love to pass them on to people that will opt, and I love to get packages. So thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you being here for me tonight and watching me open all these and PR packages, and it's just fun. So I wanted to share it with you. God bless you. Have a great evening, and I will see you later.